pandemic shed a light on issues healthcare workers face dealing with their own mental health.
So a nonprofit expanded its mental health services to more professionals in the healthcare world.
Haley Morgan takes us to Brattleboro Retreat.
And that's the end of the duct tape. There you go. No, I got the job done. So my diagnoses kind of things have been like PTSD, depression, anxiety, and more recently it was burnout, which is like why that program really was like for first responders. It really resonated for me.
Marina Caesar is a large animal veterinarian who travels across New England to provide care. She says she struggles with her mental health and says as a healthcare provider, sometimes people forget to check in on her when she's feeling low.
One of the biggest problems that I learned was you get rewarded for doing, and the more you do, the more you're asked to do, and you can easily get put into this, oh, Marina will do it, you know, she can't say no. I do think that they think we're superhuman.
She came upon the healthcare professionals and first responders program at the Brattleboro Retreat, offered to people in New Hampshire, Vermont, and Massachusetts. It includes therapy sessions via Zoom as well as inpatient care, and can run either 4 or 6 weeks. During the pandemic, with the uptick in mental health struggles for service and care providers, the center decided to broaden its reach. The program expanded to include nurses and doctors, as well as other hospital professionals in 2022.
Prior to the pandemic, we served police officers, firefighters, EMTs, veterans. During the pandemic, we had to close for a little while, and then when we reopened, we were seeing that we really needed to expand our services and expand our scope to include more nurses, more medical professionals.
Psychologist Jessica Tamulones says attorneys and veterinarians like Caesar have also joined the mix. During the pandemic, Brattleboro Retreat itself lost 50% of its nursing staff, and Director of Nursing Operations Holly Gilbreth says there should be more programs like this for healthcare workers.
This is something that's been overlooked for years and years. The mental toll that it takes on someone witnessing trauma day in and day out. The pandemic sort of put a magnifying glass on it.
Reporting in Brattleboro, Haley Morgan, Channel 3 News.